Walking through Barrhead today, and everything is overgrown. The grasses, the fern, needed sticks today to come through it all. Could just about see the path. It's clearing a wee bit now. We're coming out of the field. So every day you do a different walk. It can be the same walk, but it's a different experience every time you do it. You see different things, and the greenery is never the same. It's always changing. Nature is always changing. It's always something different. It's always growing and changing. When you're in connection with nature, you feel the change, and you're in the change when you're in nature. So I'm carrying on the walk, coming out of the field, and then I'm going to carry on a different walk on the same day, but on the road. Thank you.